Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OPPO Reno 12 Pro and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. To set it, open Settings application. In it, scroll down and look for our mobile network, where we choose data usage. Now, data usage limit, and there we can set limits. First step, you can set when hours are start, maybe first day of each month. There by the switch we can turn on daily data usage and set it in gigabytes, megabytes, what you prefer. Maybe you set 16 megabytes per day, and there we can set what happens when we use it. We get only alert, or we get alert and our mobile data will be turned off. After you set all, press done to save it. And the same story with monthly data usage limit. Turn on it by switch. We can set it in gigabytes, maybe 10 gigabytes, and there we can set what happened. And the last option, turn on it, data warming. We get warming when we use how many gigabytes, maybe 8 gigabytes, and confirm by done. And we have all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.